is all the code for submit for Web50 Search. So I know I uploaded the finished code, so now I'm just gonna give you guys a tutorial. So you can download the source code, but I'm gonna start from scratch, and I'm gonna put this into 5 or 4 parts. Today we'll be doing Index.html, next time style.css, then advanced search, image search, so it'll take some time. But today we'll be mainly focusing on Index.html. Let's just pick a new file. Index.html. Okay, so we have this. Let's just start with the basic features. I'm gonna go very slowly. You can have this as enter if you really need it. This is not really important, but you can do it. Okay, so let's just do this. Head, we need a header and title. Search. So what this basically does is, when you open a website, like let's just say this, you see this on the top? Yes, that is going to be search, just search. Okay, so we have that. Now let's just add a link. Equals. So what this is, it can link you to different pages which we will need. So we can link it to style.css or advanced search.html or image search. But we're just doing this so we can get the design of the page. So let's just go style sheet. And then we're not done. So we need to add a hyperlink. Yes, hyperreference link, or href, you can say it, and style.css. Okay, we have that now. Let's just make style.css advanced search.html, and finally the last page, image search.html. So we got those 4 files, so we can link between them. So we got style.css, we got the basics of what we need. Now let's add a body so we can write text inside, like that stuff. We need to add div to divide the classes. Let's see. Okay, I'm doing this just so we can, what I'm trying to do is, so in style.css, you can if you add IDs or classes, you can specifically style them without styling the others. So that is exactly what I'm doing right now. Okay, let's do this. And one thing we will need is images, but I have the images and I will be adding them in the next video, but for now I will just write images. src equals google.png. This is a png I will be using, and I'll just import it, today. What do you call it? Google icon. And so this is just in case the image does not render, so it will just display this text, Google icon. And the last thing is just for customization of the text, the image. So let's just do height 300. So we have that, and we have the div. Now we can just go to the form, which you are supposed to get, but I skipped it. And just before I do that, equals. Now, this is where I have to add the link of Google. If you already have the link, you don't have to type it. I'll just type it for anyone who doesn't know. So this is just showing the link. So whenever we type something in the navigation bar, this is the link which we will use. Now, let's do this. Input type equals text. Name equals, let's just say Q, okay? And ID equals top. Now you must be wondering, what is ID? So ID is how you can specify it. So let's just, as I said before, let's go to style.css and let's write hashtag, what is it called? Hashtag down. We have this. Now we can just write like height, height 50 px. Okay, so I will show you how this works, but in ID, like you can kind of specify it. What a class will do is, with the ID you have to add a hashtag and the ID name. But with the class, you have to do dot. Let's just say the class is SSS. Do this and you can do anything. So for classes, I will show you later on the course. Okay, so we have got the ID down and up. Now let's just, copy paste this, paste it in here. But now, we have to we just have to change the bar, input type will submit, and then let's remove the name. Okay, so now we have value. This is just like, what's the name of it? Let's just say, not like a name, it's different. Okay, we got that. And ID, let's just change it to Google Search. Okay, so we have got that. Now, the next one is extremely similar. Value equals, so what this is like a whole text bar underneath, which I will show to you right now. I'm feeling lucky. So that's my next thing, and then this is gonna be a little different. Let's just say this one is ID's lucky, okay? No, let's not make it lucky. Let's just, feeling lucky. So it's more specific. It doesn't have to be specific, but yeah. I'm gonna add a name. So the I'm lucky feature picks up the first website in the page. And for that to work, we have to assign a specific name. And that name is going to be PTN, capital I. So first link we click, it will take us there. First link of the page. And we're almost done. This is just a link to the other pages. As you can see, these pages we have made before. We're just going to add like hrefs to these. And I said ID equals you don't have to do a specific ID, but if you want to, you can. So what I'm going to do is there's one more line before we're done with Index.html. Let's put this advanced search.html and let's change it to advanced search. Let's just remove all the style.css, So this is everything for Index.html. So if you press Command J and you have to like cd, oh, I only have this file, so let's just open Index.html. Whoa. And let's just, talk through this. Okay. So first we have lang equals English, and you can see everything's English. And you're like, yo, what is this? It will work. Now I can see. Let's make a link relation to the style.css. And we haven't written anything, so it isn't working right now. But as you can see, the title search. So you see search, and look, search. Now, just my image source is Google or PNG. Otherwise, Google icon. As you can see here, you see this. It's Google icon because I haven't added a picture. And when I add a picture, you will understand everything. But I haven't added a picture, so it just shows Google icon. Now we can see google.com/search. Let's just say I've already searched these on Google, so let's just say Harvard. It takes us to google.com. Okay, and we revert, you can go back. Now, this is type equals text, which is this, so I can type anything in this. That was a whole navigation bar we used using this. This part will go to the navigation bar. And this submit is the submit is not needed, but you can kind of keep it there because this is the submit. Okay, so it's not needed, but Harvard says just keep it. Let's just name Harvard. You know how we pressed enter and it took us to Harvard? Press Google search, it takes us to Harvard. That is the whole point of it. And since we have already done the I'm feeling lucky feature, which is really hard, let's just do Harvard. Okay, when we press enter, let's see. This is a website we get. Okay, you see this? Yes. Okay, and now let's do I'm feeling lucky. Harvard said this error is just always happens. So let's just continue. Boom, it's the same website. That's how you know I'm feeling lucky works. So you have done already 2 big features. And now this hrefs are just a link, as you can see here. If I press image search, it takes us to a blank page because image search doesn't have any code in it. Advanced search has no code in it. So let's just go advanced search. Boom, nothing. And you might be wondering why this page looks so bad. But in the next video, we'll be doing style.css, so we can make everything. Actually, no. Next course we'll be doing these two because style.css doesn't work before doing these two. So this is what we have till now, and actually we'll have something different. So this was part 1 of search, and thank you for watching.